In this video, I'll be showing you how to fuse Brainrots in Plants vs. Brainrots. To start, you will need to have Rebirthed at least one time. You can do this by selecting Rebirth from the side. Here you will see your requirements to rebirth. You will need to have the Brainrots shown here, as well as the money requirement. Additionally, the Brainrots will need to be placed down on a platform to meet the requirement. You can't just have them in your inventory. Next, get the plant you want to use. It will need to be a grown plant, not a seed. Go to the fuse machine and place the plant into the first spot on the machine. Now, you will be able to see the Brainrot required for your plant. Place the Brainrot into the second spot. Go to the base of the fuse machine and select the fuse option, and you'll see how long the process will take. Select Yes to confirm, then wait for the process to finish, and the new Brainrot will be added to your inventory when done. At the moment, if the Brainrot has a variant such as gold, then it'll lose it once fused. You now know how to use the fuse machine in Plants vs. Brainrots. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.